Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you've been denied permission to access this folder. To gain access to the folder, you will need to use the security tab. So hopefully this should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the file or folders that are giving you the problem and select Properties. Select the Security tab. And then you want to go ahead and select Advanced near the bottom here. Where it says Owner, go ahead and select Change. You want to select the Advanced button. Select the Find Now button now. And select Administrators, assuming you're an administrator. And select OK. Select OK again. Checkmark where it says Replace all child object permission entries with inheritable permission entries from this object. Select OK. Select Yes. And select OK, and that should hopefully be about it, guys. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.